Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today, I am going to continue the article of Atheism as a Way of Life written by Keith S. Cornish, the President, Atheist Foundation of Australia. A vital question arises in regard to these philosophers, rulers, books, religious organizations, and men claiming supernatural authority. What degree of credibility and authority should we grant them? To an atheist who has shifted the evidence and arrived at the conclusion that the 10,000 plus supernatural beings are figments of human imagination, the answer is straightforward. There are no codes or laws in concrete form given by any supernatural being. There are plenty which claim to have supernatural input, but on examination, they fail to measure up the best which humans can devise. Therefore, atheists claim that mankind must determine the best rules according to the situation. We do not consider that any one man in the past or in the present had the wisdom to dictate to humanity as a whole for all time and in every situation the one correct course of action. Atheists maintain the right to collectively winnow the best from the past and the present and advocate that fellow citizens meet that standard. We see no justification for according to one person or a specific group of people the authority to impose their particular codes or standards on society at large. Being an atheist in no way implies that he or she will be ethically correct in every situation. Human beings are not biologically programmed that way. Being an atheist implies that he or she has the ability to weigh pros and cons of a proposition and reach a rational conclusion. In real life, some decisions must be made in split second and instinct rather than conscious mental thought, so often the determining factor. Further, atheists consider that humans and all sentient animal life must be accorded basic rights, and we honor people such as Thomas Paine, who 200 years ago set forth a list of rights, all of which have not yet been fully granted anywhere in the world. Though written specifically for the USA, France, and England, they apply to everyone, everywhere. Just as rational thought and scientific method has solved countless problems in physics, health, astronomy, chemistry, government, agriculture, etc., we atheists strive to use the same technique to define ethical problems and solve them. Whilst religion promises eternal bliss or everlasting torment as the consequences for right or wrong behavior as inducements to toe the line, atheists reject such carrot and stick procedures. Hypothetically, pie in the sky may secure the desired result with the ignorant, but not with a sophisticated society. Humans are but a small of life forms of a nature world, and though we may consider ourselves to be at the top of the evolutionary sequence, there is no evidence of any specific gulf separating us from other branches of our type. The idea of a supernatural element is a result of human arrogance and has no basis in fact. Human beings today must be convinced that a specific action or activity is for their own well-being and the well-being of society. Even purely altruistic behavior must be seen to be for someone's benefit. Strictly speaking, a person is an atheist when he or she comes to the realization that supernatural beings do not exist and by extension that there is no supernatural realm. It is not possible or desirable to lay down hard and fast ethical codes which would apply everywhere, every time. Ethics must always be determined by the situation and seldom, if ever, would be the same set of circumstances apply. It is far better to aim for the happiness and well-being of individuals and society than to try to compel people to accept a moral code into which they had no input, especially when that code is not based on fact or reason but on myth, superstition, and primitive suppositions. And here ends the article. We shall meet again in the next episode again.
For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon. Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels.